Are you a couple and want to strengthen your relationship? Then maybe have a look at this intimacy roulette. In a sense, strengthening relationship is about nurturing a partnership that is mutually beneficial, supportive and fulfilling. It requires effort from both partners, but the benefit to emotional, mental and physical health as well as to the overall quality of life are really significant. I'm not any relationship guru, nothing at all, but for a fact, I know that in these times of huge anxiety and stress and pressure, strengthening a relationship as a couple is crucial for various reasons. It enhances emotional connection, improves your communication, it builds resilience, it increases happiness and well being, it promotes personal growth, it secures your future together, it enhances your physical health for sure, and there are a lot and lot of other benefits which I could go on and on and on. But I think I'm not a intimacy or relationship mentor. This guy is, and he has created this free tool which you can use to strengthen your relationship. Now, it's a free tool which is great, and in order to play it, all you need to do is to go to this website, and I'll drop the link in video description. Then just enter couples' first names here. So I'm just going to put whose name, maybe my name, and then and miss, maybe let's not, maybe I'll just use a fictitious name just so that it won't impact any biases here. So I'll just say Mr. and Mrs. Okay, let's do. So what exactly we want to improve in our relationship? So click on drop down. It says emotional intimacy, communication skill, conflict resolution, physical intimacy, trust building, and then financial management, showing appreciation, problem solving. Cool. So let's go with the first one. Maybe emotional intimacy. Click on submit, and then let's wait for it. I think on behind the scene, maybe it is generating a tailored prompt and then telling the LLM that you are the relationship expert or intimacy expert or some sort of that, and then asking it to generate some advice around emotional intimacy, and there you go. So it is telling you that do this, setting up the space, starting the activity, echoing the emotion, switching roles. That after Mrs. has echoed Mr.'s emotions, they switched roles. Mrs. will be sharing her emotion and scenarios from the day. Closing the activity, and it is telling you repeat this activity once a week or often as needed to continuously build and strengthen this. Okay, and this site doesn't store any personal data, which is correct. So maybe instead of this, I will just go with maybe physical intimacy. I know you want to see it, so let me click on submit. Let's wait for it to come back. It takes a bit of a time, but eventually it comes back. There you go, took few more seconds. Now setting, choose a room in where you can control the lighting, preparation, positioning, activity start. Okay, begin by slowly lifting your right arm, watching the shadow it casts. Mrs. will watch Mr. Shadow and try to synchronize her movement to mirror his shadow with her shadow. Okay. Activity coordination. Then, okay, so it's all about slow movement and syncing each other movements, advancing, closing the activity, reflection. Okay, that's interesting. It was not what I was expecting, but pretty cool. I think everyone should try it out. And then share a quiet moment of eye contact, acknowledging the sync and connection you have built. Seems interesting. Okay, now let's go with maybe financial management. That's something very important for every couple and a family. So let's wait for it to come back. Okay, so the activity name is Financial Fortune Map, and then you would need a large sheet of paper, draw the map around the financial journey, unnecessary spending, high interest, stats, safe harbor, marking the path. Mr. is responsible for drawing the path towards each island or goal. Okay, cool. And you can see that how cool is that. I mean, it is very short but very practical, pragmatic. Really like it. I think some real thought process has gone into prompt engineering behind this LLM. Really like it. Okay, let it confuse it. Maybe I'll just go with some male names, or maybe how about some female names, just to give it everyone equal representation. I'll just call it maybe uh, Karen, and maybe Julia. Let's see. Let's select some other. Let's do conflict resolution. Click here, and now let's see what it comes up with. There you go. It says story swap. So Karen and Julia think of a past conflict they've had. Okay, Karen starts narrating her chosen conflict. So it doesn't depend on the gender of the couple. It is all about, connection, and then mutual respect, and then willingness to solve the problem. So really good stuff. I think regularly expressing all the conflicts and appreciation for each other, that really goes a long way in making the relationship strong. So really like it. Let me know what do you think around this, because I think once you do it and regularly do it consciously, these strong relationships really make it the whole life more resilient in face of challenges, whether it is stress from outside sources like work or family, or conflicts within the relationship. A strong bond can really help couples navigate difficulties more smoothly and emerge stronger. That is good. That's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts on it. And if you're using any other tool, similar tool with the touch of AI, I'll be happy to review it. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, then please do me a favor and share the channel and the videos among your network on social media, as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.